Alright, so here is a quick video about Emacs digit extension. Okay, so I'll be showing how Emacs use digit as part of the command. Okay, part of the command to show different thing. Okay, so if you get confused, keep watching, so the demonstration will be short and precise. Okay, I have already opened my Emacs client, which is here. Okay, the first thing, Emacs has got different types of digits offering. It basically says it starts with a Control X and then 0 to delete the current buffer. Okay, Control X1 to delete the other buffer. Okay, now Control X2 will create window horizontally. Okay, Control X3 will create window vertically. Okay, Control X4. Control X4 has got so many options. Prominently, you can with the help of F will find file in other window. Okay, so likewise there are several other options under the Control X4 key prefix, but basically related to Windows. Control X5 like 4, but it is basically do for the frame. Okay, if I press 2, I'm just picking out the specific stuff. These options has got so many other options. I'll show you just a moment. Okay, so we'll wait for the specific command to be done on frame, new frame. Okay, Control X6. This is called 2C command. 2C command. For that, I am suggesting you to look into YouTube channel Emacs Elements video about it, which should be look like this. This is the video 2 weeks back. He has done that. I'll give the link in the description section below so you can see it. For Control X6, it has got other option too, but specifically for one particular purpose this video is well done, so I'm not going to do a redundant work. Okay, there is no Control X7, but there is 8, and it is related to emojis. If you have some in the Emacs. If you install the emojis package, this extension will allow you to, in fact it has got another extension called E, which is related to emojis and all this stuff. So I have jotted down all the digit extension of Emacs. Okay, so the things is hidden from you. If I press Control X4, look at the bottom of the screen. It shows kill buffer for 0, 1 for the same window prefix. Okay, and there are several other things I have. Okay, but you people should visit it to accustom yourself, because these are the very utility friendly stuff. It will help you. Okay, it certainly takes some time, but it will help you. Likewise, Control X5, if you do, you can see, look at the bottom of the screen. It shows you different extension and the command related to it. Okay, a few of them probably specific to my system, but most of them are default, so it should be regular to everyone, so nothing surprising. And Control X6, you can see, look at the bottom again. On the Emacs element video I just referred to you, the first one he covered 2 columns. Okay, and that there is 2 more, B and S, and you need to try this out for a very specific thing if you want to try out, or if you need those stuff. I haven't ever encountered this kind of stuff due to my workflow. Maybe I'm missing something, but it is there. If you want, you can have it. Control X8, Control X8. It will simply, you can see 2 options. If I press E again, and you can see, look at the mini buffer. It all about emojis. For that to work, you have to have emojis package installed in Emacs, but these are the shortcut if you have installed it, so it will help you to manipulate the emojis inside Emacs. Okay, so these are the various Emacs digit extension of a prefix key. Likewise, I haven't mentioned there is another prefix key in my system, okay, which is start with Control C and C, and if I go here, I have 1 to 6 various option bounded with it. Various options, you can bind it. This is customizable, and I have my own, so you could have your own. Okay, so this is how things are dished out. So all I'm trying to say, to show you that you can use this Emacs digit extension to your benefit to access more facility inside Emacs. Okay, so it will take you some, apart from first 3 or 4, Control X5 and Control X6, Control X8 will take some time for you to get accustomed to, because there are several other under those options, especially Control X4 and Control X5. These two are having lots of options under them. Okay, so you have to spend some time to figure it out which one you need it, which one you don't need it. Likewise, as I mentioned, Control X6, which is having several other options into, I never ever had the chance to use those, but it is there. That's why I mentioned somebody more apt made a video So I'll give the link in the description section, so you can go to that channel and have a look at it. There are other options too, as I mentioned to you or shown to you. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who are inclined to know about the Emacs digit extension for the commands. Okay, and as I mentioned, the control C is 1 to 6. I have my bindings, mostly Hydra bindings I have. So you could use it when you, it is one of the temptation to bind control C with the numerics when you run out of key cord on the main keyboard. Okay, so then you opt for the numeric key. Okay, that is one of the reason I opt for it, because I ran out of key cord. Sooner or later you will be also, so it's very common. Either you have to bypass something, or you have to adapt something else to work for you. Okay, or you have to do something to create a Hydra-like interface, which is having a transient kind of thing. Okay, which is what I have for control C 1 to 6 digits. Okay, so I hope I'm clear enough to give you the heads up that you could use this kind of stuff. Thanks for watching.